Making thickened sauces from scratch on the stovetop can be both challenging and time consuming. So today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a bechamel sauce in your Thermomix. So first up, we're going to put the recipe on our guided cooking. I've got it up on the screen here. And when we press start, it instantly engages our scales. Because I can weigh everything into the bowl in one hit, there's a time-saving feature right there. What we want to put in first is some unsalted butter, 40 grams of that. We can check it off as we go so we make sure that we're not missing any steps. We now want 500 grams of milk. When you've popped the ingredients in exactly, the Thermomix will recognize that and tick it off or check it off automatically. Next, we want our plain flour. I've popped plain flour, some salt, some pepper, and a little pinch of nutmeg all together. That's all going to go into the bowl. And then we're just going to press next. And here is the magic. Everything's in the bowl in one hit. We'll pop the lid on. It's only going to cook for 12 minutes on 100 degrees on our thicken mode. As I mentioned before, we're using the thicken mode on the Thermomix. So that means that I don't have to guess the time, the temperature, or the speed. All I need to do is press start and the Thermomix takes care of the rest. Meanwhile, if I was making our sauce the conventional way, the process is very different. That process is not only more fiddly, but far more time consuming. First, you'd have to weigh out all the ingredients, probably using a few different bowls. Then you need to warm the milk separately, melt the butter, whisk in the flour to make your roux, and slowly add the milk bit by bit, stirring constantly to avoid the lumps. You literally can't walk away from it for a second. And let's not forget the washing up. Extra bowls, a whisk, a saucepan, and if the milk catches on the bottom of the pan, good luck scrubbing that off. And just like that, our sauce is ready. It's hands-free cooking at its finest. So let's take a look. That is a beautiful, creamy, smooth, no-fail bechamel sauce. And there you have it. I know which method I prefer.